Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the absolute mind-boggling invisible logic that brings an online order directly to your door in just 1 or 2 days. You know the drill. You click a button, and suddenly, magically, a package just appears. But as we'll see, it's definitely not magic. It's this incredibly intricate dance of data, physics, and machinery. And today, we're going to break down exactly how the whole thing works. So, how do millions of completely different items, ordered by people all across the globe, arrive almost instantly? To really understand this, we have to look way past those familiar delivery trucks driving down your street and dive straight into the complex algorithms that actually power this massive supply chain. Let's talk scale for a second. Millions. Literally millions. When you hit that Buy Now button, you are one of millions of people triggering a massive, highly synchronized logistical network in that exact millisecond. Someone in Mumbai is ordering a phone, someone in New York is ordering a laptop, and all these millions of unique, complex journeys begin at the exact same time. Okay, check this out. In literally less than a single second, an AI runs a highly complex checklist to decide exactly which fulfillment center should handle your specific order. Seriously, before you've even closed your browser tab, the system locates the item across its entire global inventory, checks the closest warehouse, analyzes exactly how busy that specific warehouse is, calculates the absolute fastest route, and determines the cheapest shipping cost. All of that done in the literal blink of an eye. Now here is a totally counterintuitive fact. The warehouse closest to you, it actually isn't always the one chosen. Crazy, right? But here's the thing, the AI might actually pick a farther warehouse if a truck is already loaded and leaving for your city right at that exact moment. Ultimately, that makes the delivery faster and cheaper for everyone. It's just a brilliant piece of logic that keeps the whole system flowing seamlessly. All right, let's move into section 1, inside the fulfillment center. So, inside these massive fulfillment centers, and I mean massive, we're talking big enough to hold 25 football fields. Things are totally different from your neighborhood grocery store. Instead of grouping all the books together or all the food together, the software actually orchestrates a completely randomized storage system. A phone case could literally be sitting right next to a box of cereal, based purely on available space. It looks like total chaos to the human eye, but mathematically, it is pure optimized efficiency. Now, making sense of all this random stuff requires a serious brain, and that is exactly what the warehouse management system is. Because the storage is randomized, this software has to remember the exact bin location of every single product. It then saves vital seconds by calculating the absolute most efficient walking paths to retrieve those items, and beams that route directly to the workers' handheld devices. But wait, it gets better. Enter the robot revolution. Rather than having humans walk miles and miles down endless aisles, fleets of mobile robots using sensors, cameras, and QR codes literally lift and move entire inventory units directly to the human workers. This cuts down human walking time, prevents warehouse congestion, and perfectly optimizes traffic flow. It creates this incredibly smooth hybrid workforce that drastically increases the overall picking speed. Moving right along to section 2, packing and sorting logic. Okay, so once your item is grabbed off the shelf, we hit the highly calculated packing phase. And guess what? Human guesswork is completely out the window here. Software dictates absolutely everything, from the precise box size to the required packaging material, the specific shipping label, the chosen carrier, and the delivery priority level. Calculating the exact right box size is absolutely crucial because it prevents damaged goods and saves enormous amounts of money on wasted cardboard and empty air in the delivery trucks. Next up, every single box gets slapped with a barcode. Now, I know barcodes seem pretty mundane, but think of this as the package's digital identity. It's basically a high-tech passport for the rest of its journey. It's the one crucial link between the physical cardboard box and the massive global software network that's tracking its every single move. From there, the boxes head over to dedicated sortation centers. And here is a wild fact. These massive facilities hold absolutely zero inventory. None. They are built purely for motion. Conveyor belts read those barcodes to rapidly organize individual boxes into massive shipments bound for the same exact destination. By scanning thousands of barcodes every hour, the system instantly directs packages into specific containers organized by city, region, or transport mode. Which brings us to Section 3, the global transport network.
All right, so your package is finally hitting the road, entering this wildly dynamic global transportation network. Depending on how fast you need it and how far it has to go, your box might hop on a delivery van, a cargo train, a long-haul truck, a cargo aircraft, or even an ocean freighter. But remember, these aren't just isolated vehicles doing their own thing. They are all operating as a completely unified, intensely monitored system working together to move inventory across the globe.
Because it's so unified, this network is incredibly resilient. The logistics system is constantly watching variables like weather, fuel costs, and airport schedules, so it can literally shift in real time. Within just an hour of a weather event being detected, traffic and fuel data are analyzed, an alternative route is calculated, and the software instantly reroutes a delayed shipment in transit to make sure it keeps its strict delivery promise. It is supply chain gymnastics at its finest. And finally, we arrive at Section 4, the final mile. This is it, the home stretch, moving your package from that local delivery station directly to your front porch. But here's the kicker. As our sources point out, this last mile is actually the absolute most expensive and resource-intensive part of the whole shebang. Pushing individual packages out to millions of individual doorways requires an incredible amount of logistical planning just to keep the costs from spiraling out of control. So, to manage that immense cost, the drivers rely on some seriously smart navigation software. We're talking algorithms that are continuously calculating and recalculating the route throughout the entire day, based on live traffic and completed stops. And because this tech communicates directly with the central systems, it not only guides the driver efficiently, but it's exactly what feeds you those live, minute-by-minute tracking updates right on your phone. So let's wrap this up. The next time you order something online, take a second to ask yourself, what invisible systems are you actually triggering? It is never just a box coming off a shelf, right? You are setting in motion this massive invisible chain reaction of AI decisions, robotics, sorting facilities, and global transport networks. Thousands of people and machines, all perfectly synced up. Are we just buying products, or are we interacting with one of the most advanced, complex systems ever created by humans? Definitely something to think about the next time a package lands on your doorstep.